Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a really easy whipped ricotta dessert that just makes a really quick and simple sweet treat that only has a few ingredients, and I've written a blog post which I'll leave down below which has the recipe, step-by-step instructions and loads of adaptations. You can create the ricotta dessert of your dreams, so click through for that, and be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment too, let me know if you give this ricotta dessert a try and what you think of it. So the ingredients you'll need are ricotta. We're going to use this whole 250 grams, which is about a half a pound or so of ricotta, and I have got vanilla, and for sweetness it is up to you. You can use stevia, sugar, honey, really any sweetness to make it as sweet as you like. So let me show you how to make it. So I've just popped the ricotta into a bowl and we're just going to whip it until it's smooth and creamy. There you go, only took barely a minute and it kind of looks a bit like whipped cream. And then it's really up to you how sweet you like your sweet treats. I'd say 1 to 3 tablespoons will do. I've gone for 2 tablespoons there. And then a half to a teaspoon of vanilla. Again, just depends how vanilla-y you want it. And then blend it until the sweetness is fully absorbed in. And there you go, it's done. You can actually just enjoy it straight away or pop it into the fridge and serve it in a little presentation bowl and enjoy it like that. It is up to you. And if you take a spoon into it, you can see it's already lovely and creamy and smooth. You can have a taste and make sure that you're happy with the sweetness to vanilla ratio, and you can adjust it, add a bit more sweetness if you want, or it is up to you. But yeah, that's the video for today for how to make this lovely whipped ricotta dessert. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment too, let me know if you give this a try and what you think of it. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.